Hey?
Number one, bro. Hey, check that out, Johnny.
What am I checking out? Don't worry about that shit. The bike's on the back, boys. Alright, I like that.
Fuck you.
What else we got here? Couple down the back here. A couple of KTMs. Alright, we're ready to go, Bush. Hey Nate, where we going, bro? Where we going to go? Fucking Nate, we're going, eh? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Put it on my YouTube channel. Take them bad boys off. This is brand spanker, guys. Brand spanker. Look at her. Not even any dirt on it, mate. What the hell? Hey? You happy with your bike, mate?
Oh, loving it, bro.
Yeah, loving it?
Loving it.
You have to ride it first, Dad, before you love it. Let's go. With the boys. We're on the road with the boys. One over here. And there's got your cars at the back. Say out of YouTube, mate. As you can see that there, the bike's all locked and loaded. This guy's got the weakest flatter. He's got to do a fucking piss. Look at him. Oh my god. Spankers. Alright, let's keep going. We're good to keep going. Cruising with the boys. Yeah, boys. Boys are here. We're at the farm, lads. Yeah, boys. Hey, I can get the bombing going. Oh, now this is lit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, fucking about time we're out here.
Why you gotta smack him like a bitch?
Oh, I missed him, mate.
Hold it.
I missed him, mate. I missed him. Look at this cunt. I lost my hat because of him. Two-time stacker. Two-time stacker in about 30 fucking seconds.
Yep. Get into it, buddy. I wasn't backing off.
We're playing. There's a punch up in the bush, bruh. That's grapple. That's grapple. You can't grab.
Hey.
Feel like I'm at fucking Burning Man. Oh, Ron is sleeping over here. I've got Nate and over there. He's already up 6 stacks over here. We've got Chichi making his little den. And the young fella's gonna break his neck. That's day 1 down. No one got killed. See you later, toots. repairs. He's on, give us the fingers. How many have you got? 7 stacks already. He flipped it. Bet like us. The KTM, look at all the money spent. Look at this, beautiful. That's how you ride. Anybody looking for KTM parts? Got this one, it's for free.
Did you end up finding handles on?
No. We're doing backyard mechanics right now. We've got G up over there. Said he can ride, but he can't. Roy's fucking going hard. I need to get this ladder 8mm. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Brand new. Come on, Jamie. It's got 26 Ks on it and he's already dropped it, not even started it.
I've only got little legs, eh?
I might get a big bite.
27 Ks, brand new.
Wait, do I pull the clutch up? Or do I just kick it straight?
If you've been riding it, you should be able to just kick it.
It's been sitting for a minute.
That's right, kick it. Come on, round to it, Jamie. Round to it.
Yeah, too.
Too fast. Jamie, don't waste my battery. Get over there and drop your bike. What do you mean, little milk crate? Get on the bike. Oh, I see you drop it again, bro. This guy's gonna fucking do his clutch. You know how to start your bike? Yeah. You do? Okay. Grab the fucking thing and dump it! Your bike won't start when the stand is down, you know that, right? Okay. It's got a fucking safety switch on it. Deal, mate. Alright, 19 times. Go again. Got to do something to get you going. Come on, Jamie, drop it.
No, Jimmy, I can't get on the curb without the thing there.
Without the what?
I'm going to put the stand down and get on it.
Hey, they're off. What do you got there, old boy?
It's
Oh,
lamb.
we're eating good tonight,
Do you hold
boys.
it like that, son?
Yeah,
You
boys.
can speak a little bit about it. All right.
Solomon left. Solomon left.
Get down on the beers tonight. It's gonna be a cracker. Oh God, look what we having fucking Jack Daniels. Okay. Roast lean on here. Charcoal, get the fire straight out of there, straight in here. That's how we roll in the bush, boy. Yeah, never got that. Guys, if you can smell that. Ooh. Boys have been riding hard today. This thing's a proper weapon. Let's go. Rick?
Aussies. Yeah. Italians. What do we got up here? This guy's flying sadly, but we'll give it a crack. There we go. Righty, where are we up to? We have a bit of an update on the land. Let's look and oh, put. Hey, Skip.
Hey, Skip.
Show us the foot, Skip.
No,
Good, he's on the croc, mate.
God rolled me in.
He rolled his ankle because he's fucking around thinking he's UFC in the bush. So what happened? Tell YouTube what happened. Tell YouTube what happened. What did you do?
Well, how far you want me to go back?
To you wheelie?
Oh, to the first one. Well, come this weekend to have a crack, and I want to learn how to do wheelies. Haven't ridden a bike for 20 years. So anyway, third gear tried it once, all good. Second gear, not a good choice.
What happened?
Like a koala bear.
What happened to the bike?
Fucking, I had a number plate. Like I said,
Where's the plate gone? Wait. Interruption. Are you gonna stack it? No. So,
yeah.
we had a nice little number plate look in here.
I'll get it.
We had good old Nate over here. We had to do a bit of
bush mechanic, eh?
bush mechanic, eh? Hey, Nate.
Bush mechanic.
Did it come off? Koala, can you drop your bike one more time, please?
For the video.
For the video. So yeah, this is all bent. We fixed it up. Oh, here we go. It is Skippy now. So this bike got dragged all the way from Sydney to do probably about 1 kilometre. And in that 1 kilometre, it got dropped 4 times. But anyway,
so
there we go.
Part 2 of the story. See, that was a number plate, all brand new, mind you. Show them, this was all brand new plastics, everything.
I'm gonna call you fucking 7-Up.
Fuck, 7-Up. So yeah, this is how it went, I think. And that's where it is now.
Is that mine or yours?
Don't drink and drive, guys. Do not drink and ride.
Drink and ride.
Do not drink and ride.
I just grabbed it on one day. What are you talking about?
Yeah, the boys. Koala, what have we got here?
Mate, we've got some gourmet Greek lamb, mate. Number 1, mate.
It's looking good, Zip. It's looking good.
We use this one for the Euros, mate.
Oh, look at that. Hey, only in fucking the bush, right? What have we got here, mate?
Here, mate, we've got a
What is
legend, mate. All for legend, brother.
I'm going to give you an update. The legend tried to get up with the stand on. With the stand on and still rolled it.
Yeah, how do you roll that side with the stand
I've
up?
got no idea.
Keep it up.
But anyway, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Fucking crying. You're lucky I'm fucking.
Stop swearing on YouTube.
Sorry.
It's got to get monetized. What happened to you?
Lucky Montana. Fuck, fill up my bike. You fucking me what happened to me.
Stop.
Fuck off. You know what happened. What I've done.
It's a crocodilian.
Fucking. I clipped around like an idiot.
What do we have here? What do we have here, little sleeping beauties? What's going on, Daddy? You want to say something to YouTube? What happened to you?
Tired.
You tired? Yeah, the boys. Want the light off?
Here he is, the koala bear. Get out of the way, Alki.
John!
Oh, you nearly got it, John. He got stuck up there.
Are you gonna do a fucking look at me on my fucking Supercross rider selfies?
It's on.
I did alright. 31 Ks.
Hey!
Please drop it right now.
Do a half donut.
Oh, bro, you just wrecked everything. What are you puffing out for?
Fucking takes it out of you, bro.
What? Doing the clutch?
I'm telling you, bro.
Doing the clutch or?
Fuck.
Bro, you got 2026, bro. This is like easy.
I came off too.
Oh!
Come on!
Yeah, my fucking shoe got stuck under the fucking bike. Cunt. We've done 15 kilos with one shoe on, cunt. Yeah.
Oh,
By
because we
myself.
thought you fell off because we couldn't hear you. Where'd you fall over in the sand?
Over there, the fucking sand. The fucking sand fucking everywhere.
Yeah, Jamie, that's what we've been saying all
Yeah,
fucking
you're not
day.
supposed to ride in sand. You don't ride in sand.
That's a fucking hot lap.
Back to the fire, lads.
Yeah. What happened to it, Roy? Why are we cutting our fucking trip short?
I'll just call Leg because he's like sleeping next to the fucking grizzly bear overnight.
I can't sleep either.
Fucking
I got
cooked.
these cunts waking me up.
Who?
All of yous. All
Right.
of yous waking me
You
up.
look fresh as a daisy. Fucking fresh as a daisy.